What if everything you've ever seen in the universe, stars, planets, galaxies, even your own body, is only a tiny fraction of what actually exists? Not 50%, not even 20%. According to modern astrophysics, all visible matter in the universe makes up only about 5% of reality. The remaining 95% is invisible, undetectable to the human eye, and still one of the greatest mysteries in science. Scientists know it's there. They can measure its effects, they can map where it exists, but they still cannot directly see most of it. So what exactly is the universe hiding? And why does the majority of matter seem completely invisible to us? When humans first looked into the night sky, we assumed the stars and galaxies we could see were the entire universe. For centuries, astronomy focused only on visible light. But as technology advanced, scientists began studying galaxies more deeply, and something didn't make sense. Galaxies were spinning far too fast. According to Newton's laws of gravity, the outer stars should have been thrown into space. There simply wasn't enough visible matter creating the gravitational pull needed to hold galaxies together. Yet galaxies remained stable, almost as if an invisible structure was surrounding them. In the 1930s, Swiss astronomer Fritz Zwicky noticed this strange problem while studying galaxy clusters. He discovered that galaxies were moving much faster than expected, as though enormous amounts of hidden mass were affecting them. At the time, many scientists ignored his idea because there was no direct evidence. But decades later, astronomer Vera Rubin observed the same effect in spiral galaxies. Her measurements showed that stars far from the galactic center moved at nearly the same speed as stars closer in. According to known physics, that should be impossible unless a huge amount of invisible matter existed around every galaxy. This mysterious invisible substance became known as dark matter. It does not emit light, reflect light, or absorb light, which makes it completely invisible to telescopes. Scientists cannot touch it or photograph it directly. Yet its gravity shapes the structure of the universe itself. Today, astronomers believe dark matter forms massive cosmic halos around galaxies, acting like invisible scaffolding that holds galaxies together. Without it, many galaxies may never have formed after the Big Bang. But here's where the mystery becomes even stranger. Dark matter is not just hiding somewhere in empty space. It may actually be passing through your body right now. Every second, billions of dark matter particles could be moving through Earth without interacting with normal matter at all. The reason we cannot detect it easily is because dark matter barely interacts with electromagnetic forces. Human eyes, cameras, and telescopes rely on light. If something does not interact with light, it becomes effectively invisible to us. Scientists have spent decades trying to detect dark matter directly. Deep underground laboratories were built beneath mountains to avoid interference from radiation. Massive detectors filled with ultra-pure liquids wait for tiny collisions that may never come. The CERN particle accelerator searches for unknown particles that could explain dark matter. Space telescopes scan the universe looking for indirect signals. Yet despite all this technology, no one has definitively identified what dark matter actually is. Some theories suggest dark matter could be made of exotic particles called WIMPs, weakly interacting massive particles. Others believe it may involve axions, hypothetical ultralight particles predicted by quantum physics. There are even theories proposing that our understanding of gravity itself may be incomplete. In other words, scientists are not only searching for hidden matter, they are questioning whether the laws of physics themselves are fully understood. And then comes an even larger mystery: dark energy. While dark matter helps pull galaxies together through gravity, dark energy appears to do the opposite. In the late 1990s, scientists discovered that the expansion of the universe is accelerating. Galaxies are not just moving apart, they are speeding away from each other faster over time. Something invisible is pushing space itself outward. This force, called dark energy, makes up roughly 68% of the universe. That means stars, planets, gas, dust, dark matter, and everything humanity has ever observed are only a small fraction of cosmic reality. Most of the universe is dominated by phenomena that remain largely unexplained. So why does the universe hide most of its matter? The answer may not be that the universe is intentionally hiding anything. The real limitation could be us. Human senses evolved to survive on Earth, not to perceive cosmic reality. Our eyes only detect a tiny slice of the electromagnetic spectrum called visible light. But the universe operates on scales and forces far beyond natural human perception. Radio waves, infrared radiation, gamma rays, neutrinos, dark matter, and quantum fields all exist beyond what humans naturally experience. In a way, humanity is like a deep-sea fish trying to understand the entire ocean while only seeing a few meters ahead. Every new telescope expands our vision slightly further, but the deeper we explore, the more hidden complexity we discover. The universe may not simply be larger than we imagined. It may be fundamentally stranger than the human brain evolved to comprehend. What makes this mystery even more fascinating is that hidden matter shaped everything around us. Without dark matter, galaxies may never have formed. Without galaxies, stars like our sun may never have existed. Without stars, the heavy elements needed for life would never have been created. In a very real sense, invisible matter may be one of the reasons humans exist at all. Today, scientists continue searching for answers using advanced observatories, particle colliders, gravitational lensing studies, and quantum theories. But despite humanity's greatest technology, we are still standing at the edge of an enormous unknown. And maybe that is the most humbling truth of all. The universe is not only bigger than humanity once believed, it may be mostly invisible.